welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I have so many new things to share with you guys, and today, instead of household items, we're going to start out with summery fun items and all the goodies for Connor. So to start off, I got this red snap lid container. It just looks like this. It's kind of small, but not too small. I got it for his Legos. He's recently got into Legos, and he got a kit, like a Spider-Man, Iron Man Lego kit for Easter, and he's been totally obsessed. So I found some awesome Lego-y items at the Dollar Tree, and yes, so I got this to store them in because it's plenty big enough for where his Lego collection is right now. I did find the Lego blocks yesterday, but because he already has some Legos, I didn't think it was necessary to buy more of them, except for these little kits I did find. But I got one base plate, and what's the Legos without a little or a green square to put all of your creations on? So I grabbed one of these, and if this works out, then I will probably purchase more later on. But I picked that up for him. I found these two little Lego kits. So one's like a race car and one's a super tank. These are 4+. This one has 23 pieces and this one has 26. But honestly, for $1, you can't beat that. And honestly, I plan on super gluing this stuff together. It took me like 2 hours to put together like the Spider-Man van thing he got in his other kit. And whenever he went to bed that night, I super glued it together. Yeah, that stuff's so tedious. But yes, I got those couple kits for him. I picked up these glow sticks. I also got goggles and a float he picked out. He's gonna get a new kiddie pool. And I've been putting back a big bag of fun stuff for the boys to enjoy this summer. Like, kind of like a quiet box kind of idea. But on top of that, a ton of other fun activities that when they get bored or you need an outside activity, we can go to that bag, pick something out. I got crafts in there. I'm going to throw the glow sticks in there. I may put one of the Lego kits back in there. I also got this to throw in there. It's the Hippo Bubble Maker. This is the first time we were able to find the bubble blowers there. So I kind of thought I probably should have picked up 2 of these anyways. But it takes 3 AAA batteries, and I am so excited for Connor to use this. And so I have that to put back in there. Also got a thing of the Super Miracle Bubbles just for that. And that's all the Connor goodies. I did pick up a couple food items. I wanted to try the Munch Rites cheddar and sour cream baked veggie puffs. So I'm excited to try these. Also, I did find some cobblestone white sub bread. There was 6 in a pack, and I already have those in the freezer frozen because I picked this stuff up yesterday and I'm just filming the haul today. Those are 2 food items I got. I always get the Assured brand cotton balls, the toilet paper. I got a 200 count tissues. I love that they've been keeping the 200 count tissues. I got foil sheets. There's 30 in there. I love these. This time, instead of the Dollar Tree brand, I decided to try the Brillo Basics Wet Sweeper Cloth Refills. There's only 8 in here. They did have a bonus pack for the Dollar Tree ones, but honestly, I just wanted to try these Brillo ones. I'm sure they work amazing, just as well as the other mop sheets, but they're name brand. So I got some of these 4-gallon garbage bags. They're pink. You get 50 in here. They're rose scented, and I like these for the bathroom. And then I also picked up some handle garbage bags. These are the, I believe you get 10 in here, and they're 13 gallons. These are the best bags at Dollar Tree, in my opinion. Great, and a 10 for $1. Can't beat that ever. And I believe this is all the household stuff I got. And then next, I have a ton of fun spring new items and new makeup. Just randomly found this bag too, so I'm going to show you this stuff before I forget it. I did get 2 of the bonus double A's from Sunbeam. You get 10 in here. They have changed the style. They were like a brick style. Now they're just laid out like in a strip style. So I got 2 of those and 1 AAA. Connor loved these last year, and I grabbed him 2 poppets. Well, we did, because he loved them so very much. I did find these Blade Event sticks for the car, and they're in Hawaiian Breeze, and they smell really awesome. So I'm going to use those. And for the new spring summery items that they have, I found these super cute flip-flops just for around the house or to wear outside when I take Connor outside to play. They're just women's flip-flops, medium 7/8. They're like a leopard cheetah with like a gold metallic-y strap. They're actually really cute. I found this super cute cup, and it says I'm sharp, and it has a cactus on there. So cute. I'm a sucker for cute cups. And I found this really super cute tote bag, and it has stripes with a pineapple on there. There is a pineapple on both sides, but how adorable is this? They have lots of cute pineapple stuff, and I got this just to carry like sunscreen, extra outfit for Connor, snack, whatever, in place of the backpack I was using for him, just because it's a little bit cuter, and I'll just take it and toss it in the car. But I thought this was super duper cute. So adorable. Now I have makeup stuff to share with you, and this is the final stuff that I have. And if I have time, I will swatch these makeup items that I have and share pictures in the video as well. First item I did get in the beauty aisle, and I'd actually been looking for this. Everybody been hauling this Assured Compact Trimmer forever, and I finally found one. They only had one yesterday, and I snatched it up, and I hope it works really well. I haven't watched any reviews that anyone's done yet, but wanted to try it for myself regardless of any of that, so glad I was able to find that. Then I saw everybody hauling these, but I wasn't going to pick them up because I actually thought it was just like one set, like one kind of treatment kind of thing. But apparently you get 16 in here, so that is 8 different times. This is 8 uses you can get out of this for $1. This is from April Bath and Shower. It's the Cooling Cucumber Eye Pads. So I don't know, I was a little bit intrigued by that, so I thought we would give them a try and possibly do a DollarTree review on this product. So definitely stay tuned for that. But I think this looks so adorable, so cute. Hopefully they'll keep them around if they're really good, so we can all continue to purchase them, but cannot wait to try these. One makeup item I got that is not LA Colors is the e.l.f. moisturizing lipstick Party in the Buff, and I really have been liking nude shades lately, so I saw this, wanted to pick it up. I've not tried any of their moisturizing lipsticks, so we shall see. It looks like a pretty pinky nude shade, so I'm gonna swatch that later. I'll insert swatches. Another item I've been looking for, I actually picked this up a while back, but it slipped through. They were not packaged, so it slipped through the bugging. I ended up leaving it at the store, and it was the Conceal Correct in the highlighter. This is an illuminating highlighter, and it's supposed to be kind of iridescent, which is what drew me to it, so I had to try it for myself. It's just the LA Colors Conceal Correct white highlighter concealer thing. They had the other shades, but I don't really need those. I'm not interested in really trying those. I wanted the white one though, so I found that. I think this will be a great product for cutting the crease as well, so we'll see. And the next and final items, I have 4 of their highlighting trios. I do not know how many there is of these, but this is the only 4 that I could find. Start with Candlelight. And these have what appear to be lighter golden champagne and rosy kind of highlighters. Those are really pretty though. The next one, I'll show this one, is Time to Glow Bronzy shades. Now these say they're iridescent and metallic finishes, and I thought also we probably could make some eye looks using some of these too, at least pulling from some of the shades of the highlighter palettes. So we'll see, because that's what they look like. Is the trio eyeshadows that LA Colors have, but these are highlighter palettes. They also also had that contour palette at Dollar Tree. I did not pick that one up because I already have their I Love Makeup contour palette, and those two shades are like in that palette, so no need to rebuy something just in a smaller palette, like, you know. I got this in Wild Child. This one here, it's got a blue in there and a really nice shimmery kind of champagne-y color, kind of an orangey golden shade there. These are not coming off very true to color on camera, but I'm gonna try to get some really good pictures of these. See, they're more further away, they're a little bit more true to color. And this one's called Enlightened. This one's my favorite. I'm most excited to try this one. It has those, what may be kind of duochromy, iridescent kind of shades in there, and I love that. So I am super excited to try that one. And yes, like I said, I'm excited to try them. I'm going to insert some swatches for you guys. Stay tuned for looks and reviews on some of these Dollar Tree items like always. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming Dollar Tree videos.